Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and today I will show you, we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector. So let's turn off our screen and take a look closely on the edges, especially as you can see here we cannot find any kind of the protection. There is no foil, there is no tempered glass. So definitely I can recommend you to buy even the cheap tempered glass. The screen is totally flat and it will be protected from the scratches for the first, and also from the breaks if your smartphone fall on the ground. And yeah, so if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.